All right, fellas, this is a long time coming. From what I thought the rule book would take me a couple weeks was a process of, I don't know, 6 months. And that was 3 months hard labor at the computer every waking second to get these rule books done. And then it was the printing process of getting it formatted and this, that, and the other thing. So we have not opened these yet. They just arrived. So also what just arrived are some cigars that I ordered. So got this on standby. We got the Caldwell 1918 Anastasia, along with Coca-Cola and some spice rum, baby, on the rocks. A warning, this video might have explicit language. Maybe because I'm happy and maybe because I'm not. All right, man. If I can do this with one hand. Oops, maybe not. All right, so this is the first batch I ordered. I only ordered 30 books. And once these go, we will, if there's people want more, well, we will order more. Not sure, you know, how many people want our actual rule book, because the rule book is for free for download on PDF. I just thought it'd be cool to actually have a book professionally made. There we go. Oh man. Oh, look at these. So far, so good. Man, got these bad boys in here. All right. Oh, the binding came out great. Look at that. The image went from front to back. Oh, that's like it was supposed to. I was worried about that because of all the bleed. Oh man. Oh man. Look at that. Oh, it's perfect. Yeah, it's perfect. All right, before I open it, I think we need a sip. Unfortunately, I can't light up, but that's all right. And for those of you who haven't seen this, I refer to this as my douchebag cup because I don't know, I just kind of feel like a douchebag when I'm using it, but I love it. All right, cheers. All right, let's see the inside now, fellas. See the inside. Look at that. No white borders. That was the whole reason to get these made, because I didn't want white borders. I want just the manual. I went to Office Depot and stuff like that to get them made. Nope, gotta have white borders. Got these made on 100 point matte, and they are thick. Oh man, look at this. Look at the book. Oh my god. The thickness of these pages are, I mean, this is stout stuff. 100 point. Man. Oh, I'm gonna have to get my drink and go outside and start just sit back and enjoy. Now, one thing I did add to this rule book at the very last second was, we go to the very end over here. I mean, this is a lot of pages. It's a lot of pages. You go to the very end over here. Now, this is, I'm not sure how this is going to turn out, so let's see. See if they did it right. See if they did it right. And they did it right! I wasn't sure. I needed to, you notice there's a big fat border over here, because I have this in here. Why? So you can cut it out. That's right. You can just cut this out, up, and you have your chart for research and development and production. Remember, it's got the turn sequence and IPCs for 40 and 42, which is now going to be called BBR 42 and BBR 40. And that's it. So this is, like I said, this is made to take out. Awesome. I was afraid they're going to get it backwards and they're going to have it on this end instead of this end. No, it's perfect. Slice that bad boy and you got yourself a chart. Oh man. Oh man, got the coffee rings back there. This is dope. This is, I mean, extremely dope. Rules of warfare, baby. The rules of warfare. So I'm working on my website now, sideblood.com, which will have crap for sale. And one of these manuals will be available for sale soon. Naturally, if you're coming to the event in September, they will be there on hand, so you can go ahead and get one. I'm not sure on the price yet. Going to be between $15 and $20 per the book. I can see how much I spent on them and whatever. And also, remember, the funds go to, you know, the BBR. It goes to events and it goes to that. It's not I'm trying to get rich off you guys. It's just we're trying to get some money for prizes, and you know, for the next BBR, you gotta get that all lined up, man. You gotta get all that lined up. But definitely, this is gonna be worth the money. If you like this rule set, this is worth the money. I mean, look at how thick that book is. I mean, that's a thick book. I mean, there's a lot of information in here. A lot of information in here, and this is a good quality book. I mean, this is legit. This is legit, and I know whoever, when you guys see these live at the event, you will agree. This is legit. All right, man. Well, can't tell you how happy I am about these bad boys, and I'm gonna go outside and have a drink, light my cigar, and just thumb through this bad boy. All right, guys. We will talk soon. Bye bye.